Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, I can name you.
Good evening.
Achọrọ m ka ịkọwata onwe gị, ọ bụrụ na ama onye ewu m, ọ ka ịkọwata onye ewu. Can you introduce yourself, sir?
Okay. I'm always Igbo. Alexander Nwoye. Onye ndu ndị Igbo na Ejigbo. Onye isi ndị Igbo na Ejigbo. Igbo leader na Ejigbo since 19 years ago.
So, since 19 years,
Correct.
Igbo chụwa ndị Igbo na
Na
Ejigbo.
Ejigbo.
That means
Next
you.
year we make it 20 years.
That makes
So
you the oldest.
I'm the first, the oldest, yes. I'm celebrating the 19th years today. The title was given to me during my 50th birthday. So I'm 49, I'm 69 to the next year, 70. So that'll make it 20 years. Leadership of Igbo community in Ejigbo. The Igbo leader confirmed by the community,
The host
the Oba of
community.
Ejigbo, the local government. I have a staff of given to me by the local government as Igbo leader 1. Ezoko, the late Ezoko was the Igbo leader 2.
Okay, since 19 years now, how has it been, sir?
Well, 19 years, not 19 days. It's up and down, good and bad. So thank God for the life given to me and my community today, my family mostly. So I wouldn't say we're not doing fine, we're not doing well, we're doing well. Once there's life. There have been up and down, sort of obstacles, but that is not it's always part of life.
Okay, sir. So, as the oldest leader, Igbo leader in Ejigbo
Yeah.
Kingdom, an entire Igbo LCDA, initially, there was at a point in time, you reverted and you were answering Onyendu Ndi Igbo.
Okay.
Later, people reverted again, answering Ndi Igbo. Now we are back to it. So what is your insight? What is your take on what is happening now? Why people are reverted to Onyendu and Ndi Igbo now?
Name, there's nothing in name. Eze, we are representatives of Eze n'ala Igbo. I'm not Eze ordinary. And I'll never be Eze ordinary. So, you call it Igbo, you call it leader, Igbo leader. You call it Onyendu. You call it Eze. Leadership is leadership. So the most important thing is the people you are leading are fair. You are accommodating the community. You are leading. You are leading them well. They know. If you are not leading well, they know. So there is nothing in them. Yes. I know there's been a lot of disagreement between the traditional leaders in the southeast of Nigeria, and in the leaders in diaspora and those in diaspora. Some of us don't mind whatever they ask me to answer. So I have a title of Onyendu. I have the certificate. I have the title of Onyendu. I have the certificate.
So more or less, you are not against what the South is.
No, that's name is name. There's nothing in name. And you know, Ejigbo has been bastardized. So it's not comfortable for some of us answering that name. Aware. So, if they want to change it, I support. So, there's nothing in name. Name is not. It's what you give to people.
Okay,
That
so,
matters.
all right, sir. So, talking about Igbo, what can you say about Igbo unity, especially in diaspora? You see, many times Igbos appear not to agree on certain issues, speak with one voice. So, what would be your advice to Igbo community in Lagos State entirely and in other parts of the world with regard to speaking with one voice and unity?
We are from different background and different lifestyle. You know, the way I live my life, not the way others. And not everybody depends on what someone is doing. I'm a businessman to the core. Some days didn't do only that. I have only in business, whether good or otherwise. Some are retirees, and depend on this leadership. What comes out from the leadership of leading the community.